This is Vappala Pangunni Menon, or VP Menon, the forgotten hero who stitched India together. He played a crucial role in integrating over 500 princely states into India after its independence. Growing up, Menon did not attend college and had started off as a worker in a gold mine. He began his civil services career as a low-ranking typist and clerk. Eventually, he rose to the top, working with successive viceroys to implement various reforms. In 1947, on a very tight deadline, he helped plan the crucial transfer of power from the British to the Indian and Pakistani governments. This settlement would go on to change the history of South Asia forever. Exhausted and overworked, Menon was looking forward to a quiet retirement once India gained independence on 15th August. But Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the minister in charge of the newly formed States Department, summoned Menon to become his secretary for yet another daunting task, to help integrate India's princely states. Menon agreed, but their task was not going to be easy. The 565-odd princely states covered one-third of the landmass of British India and contained around 40% of the population. Moreover, the task of unifying India came during a climate of distrust and violence, as religious tensions grew between Hindus and Muslims. Menon and Patel began a series of complex negotiations with eccentric princely rulers, making hundreds of trips to their kingdoms. The then giant kingdoms of Hyderabad, Kashmir, and the coastal state of Junagadh, now in Gujarat, refused to cooperate. Travancore in present-day Kerala refused to join either India or Pakistan, and Odisha and Chhattisgarh wanted a separate union of eastern states. With Menon's subtle diplomacy, many princely states agreed to take the privy purse, or a pension, in compensation for joining India, and were allowed to retain their palaces and titles in exchange. But in the case of some princely states, the process required firmer measures. After 2 years, most agreed to join India, giving up control of defense, foreign affairs and communication to the newly formed Congress government. In a remarkable feat, more than 500 princely states were dissolved into 14 new states. Menon had proved himself as a bureaucrat, crisis manager and draftsman of India's integration. Yet some historians believe that he was forgotten too soon.